Hi. Hey chef, what's in the menu today? Well, I'm gonna show you pizza made on the stove. I'm actually doing it right now. So we're gonna have cheese pizza with sliced kosher hot dogs. That's right. Actually, this is done already. Need to get the piece of cheese on there. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so we're not using no pizza sauce. I mean, you could, but remember, cheese gotta, when you're doing it on the stove, cheese gotta go on first. So, mozzarella, pepper jack, and Parmesan. So, shredded Parmesan. No, I mean, sorry, shredded mozzarella. Whoops. Okay, so we're continuing on here, making 3 cheese with pizza with hot dogs. Two slice hot dogs. I'll have to slice them up. And this is pepper jack, because our friends at Walmart gave us pepper jack. I'm not doing plug for them, but I'm just saying. Let that melt, so that's going to melt. Now, you can add black pepper. You can add, I'm not promoting the company, but this stuff here. This is in Walmart. You find this in the sauces. Okay, I had a hard time with Walmart. They had it in the weirdest place, but I did find it. It's good stuff to get. I'm not promoting the company, but I'm just telling you, it tastes good. So this is not going to take too long. I already made the dough when I made the hot dog bun. That's the same from the same batch. I got another piece too. I can make another pizza, or I can make another hot dog bun. I can make 2 hot dog buns if I wanted to. Okay, so those are the choices. I cook everything in the pot, because this way we have less splatter and it cooks better too. It's like an oven on your stove. Alright, here we go. Turn up a little bit and we'll get back to it. Some light so you can see what's going on. So we're cooking hot dogs here. Pizza already made in here. I don't want this to get too golden, so I'm gonna flip it down here because it has a tendency of, getting too golden. Let me tilt it some more. There you go. You can see it. All right. Hot dogs are done. Slide them off. Okay, I'm gonna slice up the hot dogs. Okay, we're gonna slice. Depending on the size of pizza you're making, you can use more dogs. These are kosher dogs. Oops. They taste better. There's really only 2 companies right now making their own. I'm not promoting any companies, but you guys can get them. You know which ones are out there. Okay. This cheese melts very quickly. Good for the kids, adults. Good treat for the kids and adults. There you go. So that's how it would look. See? There you go. And sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. So remember the order. Mozzarella, pepper jack, Parmesan. This ain't kind of cake up. I keep it in the refrigerator. I don't want to keep anything else because I live in a hot, humid climate. So that's it. You can Put some garlic powder. Get some black pepper, so I'm going to use peppercorn instead. Just like in the restaurant, you tell them to stop. That's it. Okay. Alright, now put some spirulina. Spirulina. Oh. Well, this is Tabasco sporadica. Never pronounce it. That's it. This is done. Just cook a little bit more. Everything sink in there. It's pretty much done. If you want more cheese, you can make more cheese. That's how it looks. Alright. Let me pause this. Hi. So, this is how it looks. This is your mozzarella, pepper jack, Parmesan cheese, and kosher hot dog pizza. Okay? There you go. See? It tastes great. Trust me. I'm waiting. It's too hot now to really show how it's going to taste. I usually slice it. Oh, hold on a second. I don't know if this pizza slicer is any good. Got so many of them. And they all. Now this is going to be a little crunchy. Oops. You can cut it in half. It can be for 2 people. I didn't make it too big. Oops. Well, you can, like I said, you can cut it in half. This is enough for 2 people. Or 1 person. There you go. See? Well, this one's going to be crunchy. I usually have it soft, but it's okay. But, yeah, you have to be careful with the high. This fire is very strong. This radiant heat. But this is how it looks. Voila, still too hot to chew into it yet. But I'm glad you guys enjoyed the pizza. I mean, the previous pizzas. Too bad you know the rice pizza is great. I'll make it again and show you how it's grated. Sometimes the rice falls over, but that's delicious. And so is this. I've had this before. This is the second time making it like this. You can make bread on top of the stove, biscuits, all sorts of things. Bye for now. Hey, bye. This is a video of me eating this. Wow. Remember, it's a little crispier. But you don't want it too moist, you know? You could add the sauce. Remember, on the stove, the cheese goes first, then the sauce. If you do it the other way, it'd be a mess. It's not like an oven, you know, when it bakes. When you're making this kind of pizza on the stove. It's fast on the stove. And you don't have to burn up so much on your electrical bill, you know? Because they turn on a big oven just to make one little pizza. Like, you could do it in a toaster oven, but it's better a toaster oven with the fan on. And this thing is hot. Wow. Bon appetit, everybody. Bye for now. Enjoy your holiday weekend. Happy Labor Day weekend. Bye.